Okay everyone, we're going to cut down my standard exhaust. It's a bit of an experiment, but hopefully it's going to go alright. Basically just remove this bolt here. This bolt here comes off. Obviously you'll need to remove some Allen keys. And socket. Release that 13mm socket through here to take this out. And obviously a clamp here, which is a 10mm socket. Take that off. The exhaust. Just go away. I've marked where the heat shield goes, so hopefully it's going to look something like this. We'll see. I'll come back shortly once I've got some more tools. Okay, so on the back of the exhaust, we've got these welds around here, which I'm going to cut off with a grinder and hopefully shorten the pipe and put it back on. We will see. Should probably change my attire really. Right, I'm back again. Okay, what I've done is I've cut the centre section out of the exhaust, cut the tip off. I've already painted it because I've done a bit of a play first before I've done the video. There's the centre section, and there's the first bit. I'll cut it off right near the clip to hold the cover still. Remove this part and the sleeve from the inside, and then obviously what I've done is just sleeved it over. I can't weld it because it's titanium, so I've had to use rivets. But what I've also done is put a small piece of perforated tube so that I can create a slight baffle, if you like, and that's going to fit inside there. In there, join through, and it should look something like that once it's finished. So I'm going to put the wadding around the outside now, and I'll come back to you once it's riveted. Right, so I've now bolted it all together, sprayed the cover and the tip, and as you can see, you can focus in there. It's quite nice. I'm really pleased with it actually. All my rivet marks you can't see, it's all hidden. Let's see what it sounds like. If you like the video, please give us some likes. If there's anything else you want to know, just give me a message.